What if the world's largest factory suddenly stopped shipping? No electronics, no cheap goods, no steady supply. Within days, shelves start emptying. Within weeks, industries slow down. So what actually happens if China stops exporting? Right now, China is at the center of global manufacturing, from smartphones to clothing, from machinery to everyday products. A huge portion of the world's goods are made in China and shipped globally. Companies across the world rely on this system. Factories produce to ships, transport to countries, receive. It's fast, it's efficient, and most importantly, it's deeply connected. Now imagine a sudden disruption. Exports from China stop, not slowed down, not delayed, but completely halted. It could be due to a major conflict, a global trade breakdown, or internal shutdowns. The cause doesn't matter. What matters is what happens next. Immediate supply shock. The first impact is instant. Ships stop leaving ports. Orders don't arrive. Retailers begin noticing missing inventory. At first, it feels like a delay, but then the delays continue. Shortages begin. Within days to weeks, stores start running out of products. Electronics become harder to find. Clothing stocks shrink. Prices begin to rise. Because when supply drops, demand pushes prices up. Manufacturing disruption. Here's where it gets serious. Many countries don't just import finished goods, they rely on Chinese parts. Factories around the world depend on components from China. Without those parts, production slows or stops. And when factories stop, jobs and output are affected. Supply chain breakdown. Global supply chains are interconnected. If one major link breaks, the entire system feels it. Shipping companies lose volume, warehouses run low, businesses struggle to operate. The system isn't flexible enough to instantly replace such a massive source. Economic pressure. Now the pressure spreads. Businesses lose revenue, costs rise, markets react, and uncertainty grows. Global effect. At this point, the impact becomes global. Countries begin searching for alternatives. Some shift production locally, others try to find new suppliers. But rebuilding supply chains takes time, years, not weeks. In the short term, prices stay high, availability stays low, growth slows down, the world becomes less efficient and more fragmented. China's exports aren't just about trade, they're a foundation of how the modern world operates. And if that foundation suddenly disappears, the effects wouldn't stay in one country, they would ripple across the entire globe. So the real question is, how dependent has the world become on one single system?